growing up, I drank lemon water almost every day. Lemonade was a thing at home. And my grandma tend to make this lemon water a special way. And this is what I shared in this video. So we start out with fresh lemon. Always remember, if you do not have the lemon tree in your yard or in the field close by, make sure to wash them thoroughly. The citric acid in lemon may help to energize metabolism. So what we did with the lemon growing up, we like to use the zest. And that is the part of the lemon that you're going to get all the amazing vitamin C and the amazing antioxidant and the amazing lemon oil. So we take the grater and we just grate that lemon zest. And we use a lot of lemon zest, okay? If we're using 5 lemons in the lemonade, we're using the zest of the 5 lemons. Now, we don't normally peel this. It's always easier to just use that grater to get that zest off. Today, in modern days, you can peel it and put it in the blender and blend it. It's just the same. But back then, we have to grate all these lemons and make sure that it's totally clean. Look at what I'm showing you here. All the zest is gone from this lemon. And then guess what we're going to do with the lemon? We are going to roll the lemon. Yes, we roll these lemons for it to get even more juicier. And believe it or not, nowadays you have that, what do you call it, that lemon juicer that you could just extract the juice. This is the way we used to do it. We roll it, roll it, roll it, and then we feel it. And that's going to release as much juice as possible. And then we are going to use our hands to extract the juice. Now take a look at this. You can see this is not even such a good lemon. But look what happened when I start to squeeze the lemon. And remember, remove all the seeds from the lemon. You don't want that in your lemon water. So go ahead and we just juice that lemon with our hands, of course. So if we're doing 6 lemons, we're juicing that 6 lemon. And take a look. Here we have our fresh lemon juice. And let me tell you something. We do not use anything other than fresh lemon juice. Now, once we get rid of all the juice from the lemon, the honest truth is you could toss it. You could toss it because you really do not need that. However, if you're like some people that like to see it nicely decorated, what you can do, you can cut a fresh lemon and put a slice in, or you can use the one that you just remove the juice from and just chop it up and put it in there for it to look pretty. That's all it is doing there now, looking pretty, since we use everything we need from the lemon ox. Now, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to get this nice picture. And yes, presentation is the key. We like our lemon water to look really, really refreshing. So we put it most likely in a crystal pitcher. Anyway, for you making it at home, all you 8 million, use whatever pitcher you have. And then we go ahead and we just pour back that ox, the one that we really can toss for decoration. And then we pour the lemon zest in, all the lemon zest, a lot of lemon zest. And then we just go ahead, we pour the juice in, and then we fill it up with whatever water. I'm using bottled water today. Use whatever water you like to drink. Just pour it in, and that's it, guys. This is the way to make lemon water for best result, for it to be the most effective. So what you need to do is give it a try. And most of you already must have seen this recipe because over 8 million of you are making it like this. But what happened, guys? We'd like at least another 8 million to learn how to make the lemon water, the better way to make the lemon water. So what you need to do is give it a try, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see the original video, the link is in the description box below. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next award-winning video series. This is the first one. Stay tuned for number 2.